Hello, I'm Andy. Welcome along to another epic adventure. Today I'm volunteering with Arapaoa Kiwi Trust. We've got 30 traps to move down to the island. We're going to climb some hills, cut some bush and hopefully catch some stoats. Our goal is to get Kiwi back onto that island by 2028. Come along, it's going to be a great day out there. A couple of big old stingrays gliding around under the jetty at the moment while I wait for the boat to come and pick me up. Here's Steve and Alex just arriving to pick me up along with the traps. We'll load up the boat and we'll get underway. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day down there. Just passing Tory Channel now and heading out to Kilmarnock Bay on Arapaoa Island. That's the ferry coming up behind us, but we're well clear of him. Heading up the hill to where we're going to start cutting. Kauri trees growing in the sounds. Lovely to see. Okay, welcome back. This is getting to be quite tough work. As you can see, the track is totally overgrown here, and we're basically going to have to cut fresh for the next 400 or 500 metres. So we're looking at a fairly big day up here, I think. And this is where I've just cut, which was equally dense. How much are you sweating today, Steve?
A lot.
A lot, yeah. It's very humid in here. Temperature probably in the early to mid 20s, but the humidity when you're working in the bush like this is a killer, and we're all leaking on a major way.
And trying to find the right track. Well, a better track.
Stop for a bit of a break, just to catch up on some hydration and have a little something to eat. As per normal, give a little bit of blood to the cause, as you do. You can see it's pretty thick bush here, and we're cutting our way through. We're about halfway there, going for a couple of hours. That's what we've got ahead of us. So much the same as we've been cutting through. This track was initially cut 2 years ago by Steve, and we're recutting it, so we're retracing the track. But isn't it just amazing how fast that bush grows in 2 years? Well, good news, only got a couple of 100 metres to go, maybe 150, and then we're back to Kilmarnock Bay there, and we can have a little break and then just walk back on the track and do any extra trimming that we need to do.
So you're pretty sure she'd want to be actually helping?
So we've finished cutting the track now. It's looking pretty good, and we're on our way back.
Knackered.
Boss sitting and relaxing.
Knackered.
It's been a bit of a workout today. Oh, how much better is this? Back to the kauri trees. Anyway, that'll be a giant. Heck of a place. Real privilege to come out here. Here comes the intrepid team, Steve and Alex.
I've got a sponsor coming in April, so I'm just...
Big workup happening out here. That's a lot of birds. End of a great day, heading home. That's kind of where we were up in there. Back in Waikawa Marina, just about to berth.